We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're showing you how to make our cinnamon apple bread. This quick bread is very simple to make, makes your kitchen smell amazing, and stores well. We're starting with a pound of apples, which since these are larger apples means we need 2. For the best bread texture, peel, core, and shred the apples. For tips on what apples to use in this recipe and when making other baking recipes, take a look at our recipe and article on Inspired Taste. We use a box grater to shred the apples, but you can also use a food processor attachment if that is what you have. Add the shredded apples to a large bowl and then mix with some sugar. We like to use both granulated and brown sugar, salt, and spices. I'm adding a generous amount of cinnamon, ginger, and a bit of freshly grated nutmeg. Stir well and then set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. While the apples sit, get the dry ingredients ready. Here I'm sifting all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda together. Now that the apples have sat, you can see that they've released a lot of liquid. It's this liquid that makes the bread so tasty. To the apples, add oil, beaten eggs, vanilla extract, and if you have it, some almond extract. We don't add enough almond extract to make the bread taste like almonds, but just enough to make the bread taste sweeter and warmer. Okay, now it's time to add the flour mixture from before. We add it in 3 parts, which helps us gently incorporate the flour into the wet ingredients without overmixing. Remember, the full recipe is found on Inspired Taste. Finally, we add chopped nuts. These are optional, but do add a lovely texture to the bread. Pour the batter into a prepared loaf pan. See our recipe on Inspired Taste for our size recommendations. Bake the bread until a knife can be inserted into the middle and comes out clean. Let the bread cool completely and then slice. And that's it. Moist, tender, and flavorful homemade apple bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.